A photo album was made up of single sheets of plastic which were folded into half to create 4 pages of the album. Each page was able to hold 2 photos. To make an album for 16 photos, we would need 2 sheets of plastic folded as shown in figure 1 above. The middle of this album held photos with photo number 7, 8, 9, and 10. A. What were the photo numbers of the photos found in the middle of an album made from 3 sheets of plastic? B. A sheet of plastic was removed from an album X which was made up the same way as the photo album above. Photos with photo numbers 23, 24, 49, and 50 were found on the front left and front pages and right pages as shown in figure 2. What were the photo numbers of the photos found at the back of this sheet of plastic? How many photos were there in album X at first? So we know that the photo albums are made of single sheets of plastic and were folded into half to create 4 pages of the album, and each page can hold only 2 photos. So question A is asking what were the photo numbers of photos found in the middle of an album made from 3 plastic sheets. So if we were to draw it out, if this is one sheet of the plastic, you will have 3 and 4 here. If this is the second sheet, this is 7 and 8. That's what they say, right? And if this is the third sheet, then the back part would be 9 and 10, while this will be 11 and 12, followed by 13 and 14. So for question A, the answer will be 11, 12, 13, and 14. Then the next one says that a sheet of plastic was removed from album X, which will make up the same way as the photo album above, and numbers 23, 24, 49, and 50 were found on the front left and right. So what were the photo numbers of the photos found at the back of this sheet of plastic? To find at the back, right, we just need to use 23 minus 1, which gives us 22, and then 22 must also minus 1, so we'll have 21. Now why is this so? If we are to draw this page out, and this is 23, 24, then the back page is, when you just flip it, right, will be just 21 and 22. And if this is 49 and 50, then after this it will be 51 and 52. So this is the answer for part B at the back of these 2 pages. Okay. Then it asks how many photos were in album X at first. So let's look at the pattern. Okay, if we have 3 sheets of paper, 3 sheets of a photo album, you will have a sequence that's like that: 3, 4, 7, 8, 11, 12, right? If we have 4 sheets, again, on the first sheet, at the back it will be 1 and 2, this will still be 3 and 4. Followed by 5 and 6 at the back, 7 and 8 in front. Followed by, at the back will again be 9 and 10, 11 and 12. Then at the back will be 13 and 14, 15 and 16. There are 2 things that we need to take note. You realize that the sequence on this left side never changes, meaning that even if it's 3 sheets of photo album, or 4 sheets, or 2 sheets, it will still be 3, 4, 7, 8, 11, 12, and then 15 and 16. Then you can actually see that this is the last number is 4, 8, 12, 16. Meaning that this will always be in multiples of 4. If there's 1 sheet, then the number will be 1 times 4. If there are 2 sheets, the second sheet will be 2 times 8, 3 sheets, the third sheet will be 3 times 4, will give you 12, and 4 sheets will be 4 times 4, that gives you 16. So we know that the number on the left side is the last number is 24, which means that I just need to use 24 divided by 4, and I know that this is the 6th sheet. So the number that's given here is actually the 6th sheet. Now, between the 6th sheet to the number 40, before it comes to 49, there's a difference of 25 to 48, which means that I'm missing out 25 to 48. Photo number 25 to photo number 48. And I can get the difference by using 48 minus 24. And that gives me 24. So in between, before I come back to the number 49, I have a total of 24 photos in between. And if you actually look carefully, every sheet of plastic can actually contain a total of 8 photos, because 1 and 2 at the back, 3 and 4 here, 5 and 6 here, and 7 and 8 at the back again. So a total of 8 photos. Since I know that there's a difference of 24 photos between 24 to 49, I can use 24 divided by 8, and that gives us 3, which means that there's a total of 3 sheets after the 6th sheet. So I have a total of 9 sheets of plastic in the photo album. And if every sheet of plastic can contain 8 photos, then these 9 sheets of plastic can contain 9 sheets of 8 photos each, which gives us 72. So the answer is 72. So this is 3 sheets after. Okay, and this is the 6th sheet because of the number 24.